Today is Giving Tuesday. COVID-19 has brought financial challenges to so many, but this pandemic has also brought opportunities. We are seeing and hearing an openness to God and a desire to learn to lead like Jesus more than ever before. We are training and discipling people still globally around the world online and with our tools and resources that people can use online. We're doing this on Zoom calls. We're doing it through WhatsApp and any other way that we can. Your gift to lead like Jesus makes it possible for us to continue to carry the name of Jesus by teaching about Jesus as the greatest leader model of all time and really training leaders to lead as Jesus led. In a time when people are searching and seeking more than ever, they need to know it's Jesus they must seek and follow. Will you prayerfully consider giving at this time so that someday everyone everywhere will be impacted by someone leading like Jesus? We will be so grateful. Thank you for giving today.